Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. Our first topic of the Introduction to Technical Analysis series starts with how to use the TradingView. But before we start, I would like to say that you can have all the crypto information you need for free from our YouTube channel. So do not forget to subscribe and keep the notifications on for our upcoming videos. Recently, we have shared lots of airdrop and pre-sale videos with our community and we made a good profit out of it. So if you don't want to miss out any more chances like this, you can follow our other social media accounts, which you can find the links below this video. TradingView is a social platform where traders can track their favorite investments, share ideas, communicate, and do pretty cool graphic analysis for their favorite markets. For example, let's say that you are interested in cryptocurrencies, and in this case, let's say it is the Bitcoin. Type Bitcoin on the search box right here and choose which cryptocurrency exchange you would like to use. I use Binance for my daily trading activities, and for that reason I will go with the Binance exchange today. As you can see that we have these two boxes. If we click to see overview, we get to see a more broad version of our asset, such as the overview, news, ideas, technicals, and markets. And we have another box at here. If we click to see more on the advanced chart, as you can imagine, we get to see a more advanced version of our asset in the market. We have 4 different bars in 4 different sites. If we go on the right corner, we have the watch list and details, alerts, news, data window, hot list, calendar, ideas, public and private chats where you can communicate with other investors and share ideas. Also, you can join to the live streams as well. If we go back to watch list and details, this is where you can track multiple assets without going back to the search box and typing every single time. You can add new assets by clicking on this plus button, and also you can remove those assets by clicking on this X button. If we have a look at the top bar, we have the time intervals, price patterns such as candlesticks, bars, lines, etc. We have the indicators, we have indicator templates, we can set alerts, and we can use the replay button, which is highly useful for those who recently start trading. You can do daily exercises by using this replay button to improve your trading methods, and this is how it works. We have the favorite tools bar at here. You can drag it to anywhere you want, and on the left side we have the tools bar where you can find various tools and formations, which you will learn more about on our upcoming videos. We can zoom in or out by using the top wheel of our mouse, or we can use these bars at the bottom and at the right. At the moment we are on daily time frame, which means that every single candlestick that you see in here represents 1 day. We can change our time frame to 4 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, or even 1 second if we want to, and we can add them to our favorites by clicking on the star button, and we can remove them as well. We can do the same for the indicators too. Indicators are highly important for daily trading activities, and you can learn more about these indicators on our tutorial set, which you can find the link below this video. If we click on the left mouse button, we can reset our chart, we can add alerts, we can change the color theme to light or dark. I personally prefer dark. We can remove drawings and indicators, and we can customize our chart settings. And these are the basics of how to use the TradingView. On our upcoming videos, you will be learning more about how to use the indicators and other tools. Our next video will be about how to identify trends and how to draw trend lines. If you liked our content, please drop a like under the video, and if you would like to see more of our content, please click on the subscribe button and follow our other social media accounts. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.